Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. This video shows how to configure the Points Offline Store feature on your iOS and Android apps. A powerful feature that allows automatic QR code generation, helping store managers scan, add, or redeem points seamlessly. You can configure this feature in the FluxBuilder drag-and-drop app builder, or export an env.dart file to edit the code like this. Make sure to enable the WooCommerce Points and Rewards plugin, which we describe in the description section below. Now let's see how it works on the client app. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.